We have here, we have our first program in Zag64, and we have something running automatically. So this is the test automation that you can see the results of on the left. The test automation is actually automating Vice, is running through player 1, player 2 against AI, all the different scenarios, and verifying that the functionality of the code worked by test automation. By UI automation. So what is Zag64? Well, it's a Zag64. It's a Zig derived subset of Zig compiling to the 6502 for Commodore 64. And we added a few interesting things, like we have the inline assembly here in a much nicer way, similar to Turbo Pascal. And this is the first game in Zag64. You can see it's importing the Commodore 64 library, and it is creating a Tic Tac Toe board game, logic, and computer players, and everything. I will put this code up in a gist somewhere, and that. So what's the stuff on the left? Well, this is the test automation framework, basically what you just saw run. But this is a run I'd done early in the day, not the fresh one that just happened now. But you can see there are so many different the stages where it's, it's just waiting to see for player 2 to win, yada yada yada. It is looking for these things on the screen, which when you saw it running, you would have seen it had different words. And it is also doing things like pressing key presses and everything. These are all asserts. You can use this to kind of automate almost everything. You can see here, it gives a screen buffer. You can actually get screenshots, but there's a little bug at the moment in doing the width. It's making it the width of this tool rather than the actual width, but that's an easy thing to fix. And that is all.